Do you love your e-bike but dread winters? You don't have to put your e-bike away just yet. In this video, I'll share 10 tips to help turn winter into one of your favorite riding seasons, with a bonus tip towards the end that most people never think of. We'll split the video up into 3 sections: prepping your e-bike, gearing yourself up, and essential winter riding techniques. By the end of the video, you'll be ready for almost anything winter riding throws at you. First, let's get your e-bike ready. Tip number 1, tires. Your grip on reality. In winter, grip is everything. For snow, use wide tires with a deep, aggressive tread and lower the pressure a little bit. For icy conditions, studded tires are a must. They literally bite into the ice, giving you control when you need it most. I'll put Amazon links in the description to any products I mentioned in this video to make them easier to find. Tip number 2, fenders. Your shield against the muck. Winter roads are a mess of salt and grime that could damage your e-bike. Full-length fenders are a necessity, not an accessory. They protect your chain, your drivetrain, and you from all that nasty spray. If you don't currently have fenders, check with your bike's manufacturer for fenders made just for your e-bike that are easy to install. Otherwise, there's tons of them on Amazon for aftermarket fenders. Tip number 3, battery care. Preserving energy in the cold. The cold zaps your battery's range. To fight this, always bring your battery inside to store it. Never charge a frozen battery, let it warm up to room temperature first. And consider a neoprene battery cover. It acts like a wetsuit to keep the battery a little warmer and could extend your range a little bit. Tip number 4, cleaning and lube. The post-ride ritual. Salt destroys metal, so after every ride on treated roads, wipe down your e-bike, especially the drivetrain. Then switch to a wet or winter-specific chain lube. It's thicker and creates a barrier against moisture and corrosion. Tip number 5, lights. You have to be seen. Winter days are shorter and darker. A bright front light, at least 1,000 lumens, and a rear flashing light are suggested for winter e-bike riding safety. In winter, everything is slick and you want to give yourself more time to react to slick spots and hazards up ahead. You also want to give others maximum time to react to you while riding. It's impossible to be too visible in the winter. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful, please take a minute and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. Now let's get you ready. Remember, as I say, there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. So tip number 6 is use layering, your personal climate control. The secret is a 3-layer system for your body. First, a moisture-wicking base layer. Second, an insulating mid-layer like a fleece or warm light goose down jacket. And third, a windproof and waterproof outer shell. You should feel a little cool when you start because you'll warm up fast, but you can bring an optional second mid-layer just in case. Tip number 7, protect your extremities. Your hands, feet, and head get cold first. You'll need warm, windproof winter cycling gloves, waterproof boots with wool socks, and a thin head covering or skull cap under your helmet to protect your face and ears from the wind. And hand warmers stuffed in your gloves and boots can really make a difference in maintaining warmth. Tip number 8, helmet and goggles. A helmet is always a must, but you should also have goggles or glasses. They protect your eyes from the cold wind that makes them water and from the blinding glare of the sun or the snow. And finally, in section 3 here, you need to adjust your riding style for conditions. So tip number 9 is smoothness and anticipation. Winter riding is all about being smooth and cautious, no sudden movements. Accelerate gently, brake well in advance, and take your turns slowly. A sharp grab of the front brake on ice is a guaranteed fall. Tip number 10, read the road. Be on high alert, ride slower. Watch out for black ice, especially on boardwalks, bridges, and shady spots. And avoid riding on painted lines or manhole covers. If you can, stick to the tracks left by cars where it's usually less icy and more salty. And here's a bonus tip, lower your saddle. It's helpful to lower your saddle a little bit in the winter because it lowers your center of gravity. It makes it easier to put a foot down if you need to. So there you have it, a prepared e-bike, the right layers, and careful riding style are the keys to a great winter on your e-bike. So what's your secrets for winter riding? Share your experiences in the comments. Your advice could really help other riders. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video right here.